No, I'm pretty sure edging and gooning is, like, I'm positive actually, because I looked it up one time, and they're like where you're like trying not to.
So we're learning about edge maxing.
It says means achieving the trance-like blissful state reached when riding the edge of for as long as possible. That's what gooning is. The act of a very addicted or chronic
Oh my god.
The dude that becomes a total goon. So you just said that you'd be taking selfies gooning on the stage.
On the stand. Your Honor, I'm gooning right now.
Does my PC have Riz? Yes or no?
Do you guys want to know my PC's?
Chat, is this a WPC? Let me know in the comments down below.
Are you recording? Are you recording all this? Okay.
We'll talk about my, oh God, I'm choking already thinking about it. I don't know why I started coughing.
Okay, but one thing that we can agree on is that you may not want to buy from them, but we're willing to.
Mr. Prince over here, he's an expert. He's gonna tell you all about this
Quick
thing and
note,
how awesome it is.
I don't think this is the mini. This should be the standard.
Oh, it's the
one.
standard? Let me try it
Yes.
again then. Standard, okay.
Sorry, I was doing that because I was like, stop,
I thought you
stop.
all right.
You can get some absolutely insane prints that are honestly eBay level, what the f am I saying? Which normally is a really expensive price point.
Friendship.
I'm gonna continue. Active vibration dampening and
Oh, what?
and there's tons of filament to choose from. And you have tons of different options to choose from and you have tons of, oh my God. And you have tons of different, shut up, shut up, all right. And you have, I'm gonna kill all of you, I'm gonna kill everyone here.
I can see the reflection of your face and it's so stretched. Look at the balloon. Look. I'm gonna, look.
Look.
It does look like McAllister sphered your head from that point
I
of
know,
view.
my couch is gonna be like, can you guys just take something serious for once? All right, here we go.
You wanna go ahead and show the people what you ended up getting? Or what you're gonna print? Can you find it on here maybe, or?
I definitely haven't found anything yet.
Oh, he hasn't found anything yet.
Was that my homework? I forgot.
I didn't do it either, actually.
Oh,
I
okay.
just
Dude, I was like, I feel thrown under the bus.
For the star of the show. Honestly, the performance difference is.
You're gonna be in the
I'm
blooper
having a
reel
rough
this
day.
month.
I am definitely in the
This is
blooper reel
great.
this month. Awesome motherboard here. We have a Gigabyte Aorus. Plenty enough for games, and we will be great. Great. Cool, the 8600G. It's gonna run nice and chilly with this. Oh.
With this whole,
That. He's right here.
you can do a little plane. And the fact that it's like a 560 with a Ryzen APU just doesn't really add up. Wait, that doesn't make sense. It does add up.
It does
the
add
fact that it
up.
doesn't perform like it, yeah. And the fact that it has what should be a decent CPU and a decent APU doesn't add up that we're getting, did I just say oh my God, dude. This is happening again. We're too close to 230 GPU, but we're not getting that level of performance. Doesn't quite add up.
Yeah, the 560 just doesn't make a whole lot of sense for this. The fact, I just the look you made.
Please say it doesn't add up.
He's like, fine.
Frank said it didn't add up.
Yeah.
Like 8 times.
Grade when we ran games like the final. No, I heard the ring notification. All right, and then we also ran Cyberpunk again, which wasn't as big of an uplift. That stare.
What?
I was looking at you because Matt's been tossing the bag the whole day.
I haven't-
Oh,
I've
I
been
didn't know that.
tossing
You were
the
looking at
bag.
me and I was like, am I doing something
I've been
wrong?
tossing the bag.
I'm just sitting here.
All right.
Yeah, Jonah just did something pretty Ohio.
I was sigmaing.
He was sigmaing, just like PCBros.tech.
All right, we just finished benching. Yep.
Yep.
This gaming PC from Amazon.
But just how bad is a $249 gaming PC from eBay? We're going to open it up and find out.
Is it eBay?
I don't know why I said eBay.
Okay, I was just
No,
like,
I messed
I
that
said
up.
Amazon.
I said
What is
eBay.
it? All right, it's time to turn Jonah on.
Huh?
So it does have a 120 mil tower cooler covering
Tower
that
cooler?
Tower cooler. So it does have a tower cooler. What's the CPU again? Jonah, see, Jonah's an Alienware fanboy.
I can see this thing being. He only uses Alienwares, guys.
I do not.
what
Only
brand's your
Alienwares.
monitor?